Hello and welcome to part two of my portrait editing series. If you haven't seen part one, it's going to be somewhere above me. Um, and I suggest you go watch that first because that'll cover the raw develop. So assuming that you have watched that, we are going to continue on and do some in painting and some blemish removal. Just some general things that'll kind of make the photo a little bit better before we start doing intense things like skin smoothing, or altering sharpness of the eyes, color, that sort of thing. All right, so let's get into it. Okay, so we've already gone through the development module and we're back at the same self-portrait. So the first thing I want to go over is a little bit of blemish removal. This is for larger things like pimples, just general blemishes. So we've got some red spots here. So we're going to get our in-painting tool, and we're just going to zoom in a little bit and, take out any places that are really bad. Now, this, of course, was taken under very harsh lighting conditions. So one of the ways to avoid having to do a lot of this type of editing is to get your lighting just right. This is literally an LED panel that's right on my face. Not as bad as like a harsh fluorescent, but still probably could have used a diffuser or something like that to give it a softer tone. Realizing that my white balance adjust from last time might have been a little bit too intense. Okay, and we could spend a lot more time nitpicking all this, but I think that's good enough. All right, we've removed the blemishes. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is crop. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually give us a 4:5 ratio, and that means that it's primed for an 8:10, right? We're just going to slide this over and put my eyes on third lines. It's kind of a little bit of a rule of thirds here. Now we are going to cut off some of my hair, but I don't think that really makes that big of a difference. So let's go ahead and apply that. All right, so there we are. That is what is probably going to end up being our finished crop. And that's going to do it for this week. So let's go ahead and save that. And then if you like the video, go ahead and like it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so that you get notified when we have new videos. Leave any comments about this process, about my process overall, whether or not I'll cover something specific. And I'll see you all next week. Bye.